1978 Chrysler Cordoba two-door special coupe here at Unique Specialty Classics. This one came out of a collection of Cordobas we got in from a gentleman that is thinning out the herd, so to speak. 318 V8 power underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome. Grille, bright work up front, headlight surrounds, of course 78 stacked headlights. Cordoba hood ornament. Take a look at all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Chrysler wheel covers, brand new white wall radial tires just installed within the last week. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Tapestry red Sunfire, original color of this car, R7 paint code, red interior, fold down armrest, split bench, very stock looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let's hear it run, check that interior out a little more. Partial vinyl roof, also in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's like the filler panels. Decent shape in the rear. Paint on this one, it shows well. It appears that it has had a repaint. There's a few little spots kind of in the clear, and I don't know if I can get them to show up, but it's pretty minute. This may be pretty fussy trying to give you a fair idea what it looks like in person, but as you can see, it has a nice shine to it, a reflection coming off of it. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Front disc brakes on this. Also the electric rear defogger. Have AM, FM stereo in it. You can see the driver's side not full of nicks, dings, scratches, and if you notice along the wheel wells, lower rockers, looks good. Both sides. Another thing, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make you to look at this one yourself, maybe due to time or distance, not a problem. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with the walk-around video, of course, all the pictures. And then if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car down the road, put a camera in it, show you how it drives out, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Go ahead and fire it up. Again, 318 paired up with the automatic transmission. Odometer reads 06701, so I would assume 106, 701. Have had the wipers working, stereo working. Get an idea at the top of the dash condition there. Clock's working. Excuse me, what gauge is oil gauge, alternator. Looks like it's working. Temp, that was a cold start, so I would expect that to be up. Fuel gauge looks like it's on about a third. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. The headliner. Look at that. Door closes nicely. Hinge pins are good. That's a long, heavy door. Pretty quiet car. Smooth. Smooth and quiet. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me get this hood open. Latch is in the interior, so let me get the hood unlatched, get that open, check out the engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the end of the video. You'll see what it's like driving this one down the road. There's a look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. It's like a newer master cylinder. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage, or maybe in between drives. 318 power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front. AC has been converted, it appears. Those fittings. '78 Chrysler Cordoba, two-door special coupe. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chrysler Cordoba. Red on red. With wood grain on the dash. This is an automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. Factory looking radio. Our gauges are working. The coolant temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge, as is the fuel. Our speedometer is working great. Windshield wipers do function. Checking the blower motor. Blower motor does work. This appears to be a well-maintained car. Red vinyl bucket seats. Looks like it did sort of a center console between two bucket seats. I may be wrong, but I'm calling them bucket seats. Interesting, the steering wheel style is kind of a mix. You got a little bit of wood grain right here. You got the red. You got stainless looking with horn buttons. I believe those are horn buttons. The horn does not work. Very smooth right out of this car. Punch the throttle. That automatic transmission kicks down very well. Our oil pressure gauge is over half. The alternator is charging also over halfway on the gauge. We have a digital clock over in the center of the dash. Car leans a little in the corners, as you might expect from a 78. It's got a bit of that luxurious ride. Very comfortable, very laid back to drive. It's a great road tripping car, I must say. If you want to see all the pictures,